Are you a newbie investor looking to purchase your first Bitcoin, or a trader looking to maximize profits and pay less fees? In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy your first Bitcoin on Coinbase and a neat little trick you can do to pay no fees. That's right, 0 fees, coming up right now. Welcome back, Satoshi Scopers. Alan here. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn more about investing, trading, or anything else related to cryptocurrency, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Now, Coinbase. So what is Coinbase? Coinbase is a digital currency wallet and platform. Essentially, they are a cryptocurrency exchange. They currently trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And as of this video, they have also added Bitcoin Cash. They are based in San Francisco, United States, and have been established since 2012. Coinbase have processed $50 billion worth of digital currencies. This is a big number. Coinbase has over 10 million customer accounts. This is huge. It makes them one of the biggest and most popular crypto exchanges in the world. Coinbase allow customers from 32 countries around the world to trade on their platform. And you can see this by going to coinbase.com/global to check out if your country is included in here or not. So, fees. Coinbase charges different rates of fees for different types of payment method you use. For example, a US bank account would cost you 1.49%, whereas if you use a credit card or a debit card, you would be charged almost 4%. This is very high, but the funds will come into your account instantly, so you're paying more for that convenience. So how do you sign up for a Coinbase account? You can either go to coinbase.com and type in your email and click get started and fill out your details, or you can go to bit.ly/free-coinbase, and I'll give this link in the description below. So this link gives us both $10 when you deposit your first $100 into your account, which is pretty cool. So once you have filled out your information and confirmed your phone number, you will be directed to the Coinbase dashboard where you can see the current coins trading on the platform. You can also see the price, the percent increase, and the simple chart for you. What you would do next is to come down to the bottom here and click on verify your identity. You will either have to verify your driver's license or your photo ID. If you are not comfortable in providing them this information, I would suggest that you use a peer-to-peer trading platform instead. Also, I would make sure to verify your identity as soon as possible, as it may take some hours or days to be fully approved by Coinbase so you can buy your first Bitcoin. Now, let's say you have been approved by Coinbase. In this example, I'm going to use my Australian dollars account to show you what to do for the next step. So you can either click on buy now here, or you can come up to the top and go to the buy and sell section. But before you do that, I recommend you go to settings and go to the linked accounts. And this is a section where you can link a new account. This is where you add either your credit or debit card or a bank account. So once you've done that, then you can come to the buy/sell section. So we come down to here, and let's say I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So Coinbase wants to charge me a fee of $3.84. This is roughly 4%. As you can see, that's really high. But you're paying more for the convenience. You're getting that instant buy, so you can invest in your Bitcoin straight away. However, if you're in the US, the UK, or anywhere in Europe that uses the euro currency, you're in luck. You're going to be able to purchase your Bitcoin with 0% fees. That's right, $0. So I definitely recommend you tell anyone about this, because it could save them hundreds or even thousands of dollars in fees. Now, what you would do instead of buying your Bitcoin on here right away, you would come to your account section, and you would scroll down to your USD wallet. And this is where you invest your first $100 or $1,000 or whatever amount you're looking at. But in terms of USD. So you're not buying your Bitcoin or any other coin on here. You're just loading up your fiat US dollars currency, or euros or pounds. So now comes the trick that not many people know about. Just quickly take a look at this bit that says Coinbase Inc. Now I have gone to a website called GDAX, and you can see here Coinbase Inc. They are exactly owned by the same company. They are just two different platforms. One, Coinbase, is more for the newbie, the new investor who just wants to buy their first Bitcoin. Whereas GDAX is more for the institutional investors, the day traders, the people with the big money. So let me first show you about the fees. GDAX has two different types of fees. One is the taker fee and the second is the maker fee. As you can see, the taker fee can be as high as 0.25%. This is still much cheaper than Coinbase, where they charge you up to 4%. But we are looking to pay 0%, which is the maker fee. So what is the difference between a taker fee and a maker fee? So a taker fee is essentially where you make a market order and you purchase off the order book and your order gets filled immediately. And a maker fee is where you put your order on the order books. So you're providing liquidity to the market, so you get rewarded by getting charged no fees by GDAX. Let me show you how to actually do this. So now we're in the back end of GDAX. You can see that it looks much more complicated than Coinbase. This is, as I said, more for the advanced traders, but I feel that it's simple enough to read for anyone. You can see here, these are the sell orders. These are the orders that people have that they want to sell. These are the buy orders, where people want to buy. This is just a simple chart of the price action on Bitcoin. And here you have the market, the limit, and the stop orders. So you don't need to create an account. You will just simply sign in with your same username and password as Coinbase, and you will be logged in, and your first $100, which you have loaded onto your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet, will appear here also. So a market order. This is where you will pay the 0.25% taker fee. So simply you just put in the $100 that you have bought or whatever the amount is and place your order. The order will go through straight away and you will pay the fee. Whereas the limit order, you pay 0%. It doesn't matter if you're buying $100, $1,000 or $100,000. This will save you so much money just because you're willing to do that extra step, and it's worth telling all your friends about it. However, if the market is moving against you and going back up, then your order might not fill and you might not make the profits if Bitcoin goes up. So what you do is you set your price, and to do this I would simply just click on the top order and you can see it will fill out here, and you would type in the amount of BTC that would match $100. And you would come down to here and make sure you click post only. So you can see your order will only execute as a maker order. So this will ensure there's 0% fee. So you would just press OK and wait for your order to be filled. And you are done. You have purchased your Bitcoin with 0 fees. And if or when you are ready to sell, you would just do the same thing, but the opposite direction. You'd click on the first one and it automatically fills your limit price, and put the amount in and press sell. So make sure you use GDAX the next time you want to buy Bitcoin. Question of the day. What are your favorite platforms for buying Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments section below. So thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button if you thought this video was valuable. And always remember to follow the sats.